Welcome today in front of me Huawei Mate 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first step, just go to the Play Store and here on the search pool type the app Green Apple Keyboard. Green Apple Keyboard. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install. And wait a few seconds while this is starting. Now just open the application. Tap to enable in settings, and here you will see the Green Apple Keyboard switcher. Tap it once to activate, click OK, OK again. Now go back and you'll see the switch input methods. Tap on that and switch it to the English United States keyboard. So that's done. Now we just will check that, and for example here you can see that our keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard. Also as emojis. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.